Thank you for joining us for this week's episode of CBD 101. If you're looking for other ways to use Nature's Ultra CBD oils or wondering how to use Nature's Ultra and Young Living products together, here are some ideas that you can use. This is the DIY body butter with CBD oil. The ingredients are 3/4 cup of organic shea butter and 10 drops of any CBD oil of your choosing. This one happens to be citrus. You'll warm your shea butter over medium heat, melt until it's completely liquefied. Then you will add your favorite CBD oil. Then you're going to want to put it into the refrigerator and cool it and solidify it. Then you'll take it out, use an electric hand mixer or a whisk like this for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can transfer it into a sealable container and store at room temperature, and it's really, really nice. This is the DIY massage oil. The ingredients are your favorite CBD oil, 10 drops, and 1/2 cup of V6 oil. You'll put the drops in right to the oil like that, mix those together, and then place into a new container. Then you have your own massage oil. This is the DIY CBD hand and body lotion. The directions are you want to add 10 drops again of your favorite CBD oil into 1/2 cup of lavender hand and body lotion, and this is already wonderful. You'll mix those together, place into a new container, and enjoy your new hand lotion. We hope you enjoyed this episode of CBD 101. As always, please like and subscribe and leave your questions and comments below. We'll see you next time on CBD 101.